We are going to go ahead and click the little pencil because what this is going to do is this is going to let me move this GPS location of this pin because this does not look like it's an actual location. So let's say this is a mall and you go to a specific dock. This is a field that used to be just a field and now it's actually a subdivision. These pins, these geolocations that come through the FRO, sometimes they're not in the right place. So we are able to go ahead and move where it is. So this is going to show you the original location, which is here. And you're going to be able to choose the target location. So I'm just going to go ahead. I'm going to say it's actually supposed to be this building right here. I'm going to drop my finger there. And there's the new location. Any notes, whether it's a gate code, nasty dog beware. I actually saw one the other day that said there was a attack rooster. Those apparently are out there too. Any notes that you want to add to this are going to show up in the stop notes on your stop every time that any driver in your fleet pulls up this particular stop. So any good information will be shown there. You click save and close, and it will now be in that location, and you will always be able to see the original location. I have a couple of questions, so I'm going to go ahead and pause so we can get some questions answered. Let's see, Stan, you raised your hand, so I'm guessing you have a question. I'm going to go ahead and open up your mic here. You can go ahead and unmute and ask your question.
Okay, my question is, does the driver have to do that or can management do that as well? Move the spot.
So yeah, so Optics app, our Optics app version, you will be able to go into every single route that is there that day and you can move it for them as well. So if you want to be preemptive and you want to go in and move some stops, you know it's going to be in a different location, you can go into the Optics app and do it as well.